the innings and expect the score 65 target in 8 overs. Yes, target is 65 now, required in 8 overs. Great work done by both the cameraman, GTC Live. Thank you very much, sir. Doing a great job, sir. Thank you very much. Scorers, commentators. My special thanks to DJ also. DJ bye. DJ bye. Thank you. Great work, beta. Special thanks to Mr. Raju. Is Raju there? Can I see Raju? Can I see Raju? Yeah. Raju, we love you all. Thank you. 65 the target in 8 overs. To ball the first over by Jay Developers, Harsh Mahatani to Manas Kataria. Non-strike is Kaushik Sadhwani. First ball from Harsh. What a ball actually. Oh, lovely appeal. This is a great appeal actually. This is called luck पे luck अगर मिल जाए विकेट तो ठीक है, but bad change actually from Kaushik. Score is nil on a very first ball. Manas is beaten. Harsh doing a lovely bowling actually. 65 the target. Harsh next ball to Manas. Target is 65. Manas will face Harsh now. Second ball in progress. Oh my god, again a good ball. It's a bold actually. No, just missed out. 65 is the target. Please, बाहर निकल है प्लीज. Hiru क्या? Hiru क्या? Hiru? Huh? Suri, please Hiru, don't disturb. Score is nil in 2 balls. Good shot from Manas. Will this be a catch? No, they will take at least 2. I think yes, they are going for second run. They may get 2 easily. Good strike from Manas. Can they run the third run actually? No, they won't take any risk actually. Score moves on to 2. Score is 2 now. Out of 3 balls. Required is 63 more in 45 balls. It is gettable actually, gettable, I think. Puneet, the captain, getting annoyed with the fielder. But anyhow, they are doing good, Puneet. Fourth ball from Harsh. Lovely bowling. It's a misfield from the keeper. They will take a single. It's extra run by actually, I think. From the, yeah, it's by. Thank you, umpire. I love the way you remark yourself. The scores by, leg by, wide, 4, boundary, wickets. You are a Billy Borden of Deolari actually. Score moves to 3 now. Yeah. Yeah. Harsh to ball is first ball will be faced by Kaushik Sadhwani from Harsh. Lovely. Good ball actually. 62 more required now of 43 balls. Yes, next ball. Ah, no problem. Will this be a catch by Raj Bhaiya? Yes, Raj takes a catch. Lovely catch actually. It was a planned ball actually. Perfectly planned ball and a great bowling from Harsh. And that's a wicket. Ponu. He is one of the favorite batsmen of Socks and Shoes. Sachdev, Socks and Shoes. थैंक यू दीवान जी. फाइनल मंडे को 3 बजे. चलिए, थैंक यू दीवान जी. Yes, please, please, all. Welcome you all. Thank you, Divan. Thank you, sir, Divan, sir, for being here. So, Bhupesh Nagdev. हाँ बेटा समोसा है ना हाँ, भेज रहा 2000 रुपये भी Yes, 3-1 in 1 hour. Manas will take the strike again. Second over in progress now, I think. Sunny, Kachwani. Oh my god! They are getting extras only, I think. Score is of 4 of 7 balls. Target is 65. Yeah, Ponu is a great batsman. Bhupesh Nagdev. If he plays a inning, definitely they will win. Good shot, Ponu. Will be a single. Oh my god, it's a misfield bit, or it was a risky run actually. Score moves on to 5 now. Manas playing on 3 of 5 balls. Power play, benefit. You have to take Manas. Manas will be facing Sunny Kachwani. Manas on strike. Score is 5. Yes. Manas takes a strike. Good shot, Manas. What a shot. This will be 2 runs, at least 2 runs. They may come for 3 actually. Good shot here from Manas. Lovely shot. Well played, you, Manas. Score moves on to 7 now. 7 now. 1.37. Loss of 1 wicket. Yes. भैया को भी दे, दोनों को दे, सबको दे. Yes. What happened? Oh, bat. Yes. Next ball from Sunny to Manas. Oh my god, it's a good ball actually from Sunny. Lovely bowling, Sunny. Great bowling, Sunny. Sensational bowling, Sunny. Yes, yes. Yes, the Agman of Nandwani brothers. Okay, will be a single, I think. Yeah, they take easy single now. Score moves on to 8. Hariom. How are you, sir? Jai sir. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome, Ishanji. Good shot, Bhupesh. Will this be a single? Oh my god, it's a caught. What a field set actually. Lovely catch taken. Lovely catch taken actually. Uritik Vora. Please. पानी पिला रहे यस पानी पिला रहे इनको यस अरे धूप में निकला न करो रूप के राजा 5 रन कम हो जाएंगे Last ball. Uh-huh. Wow, wow. Can I call upon, yeah, cameraman, I need you here, please. Cameraman, 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 please. May I call upon Neeraj for an interview? And Ishan and Neeraj, both of you, please. They are twins, really? Really? Okay. Are we live? Yes. Sir, you have made 200 runs in 4 innings. And Ishan, what a lovely start you give to your team. What is that makes you play so beautifully? What is the reason you play so beautifully? You both brothers, Mark Walk, Steve Walk of Nasik. Please, may I start upon with Ishan, captain?
Actually, we are playing since childhood, and cricket is in our blood. So it is inherited, which are we are continuing it. Yes. So we just keep on growing daily. We just keep on growing daily and play our natural game.
Generally speaking, na, the way you play, na, the man that comes from your heart basically. You don't play, but your play goes on actually. I don't know why.
We just deliver what we have. We just give our 100%, and the team cooperation is so amazing that we can give our best 100%.
If we have fair play award, na Raju, I am definitely sure we don't have a choice. Auja Warriors. What do you say, Raju? No other choice. Yes. Now may I ask upon Neeraj. Neeraj bhai, what is the reason? What is the strength actually behind scoring such a long sixes? Really hats off to you. Please, can you just let me know the reason? Actually, we lost 5 balls because of you. Please, may I know the reason?
The main reason is my family, my strength, and the other reason is the organizers, which are organizing so well. Everything is organized so very nicely that it makes us feel like, come on, let's play with a full heart. So thanks to Raju Bhai and all the organizers.
But you know actually, the way the when you reach on the crease, na, players when they are standing somewhere, na, they go 2 steps behind. You know when they see, they go 2 steps behind. Yeah, Neeraj भैया आ गए. So why this fear actually?
It's all about the game, sir. The game इतना अच्छा है. Like, like it starts from my father. He's a very good like cricketer. So उनसे ही start हुआ है. Then my elder brother. Then me. Yes, 2 years.
Anyhow, Ishan, what will be your suggestion to your younger brother?
I need to take suggestion from him.
Okay. What will you suggest Neeraj to him? No, you guys, really thank you, both of you. Great, and we are really proud of you to have such a brothers, younger like us. Thank you very much. Special thanks to Raju also. We'll call upon Raju here. Raju, please. Yes, Raju, I'll ask you a single question only. What makes you so work so hard, and why you do all this? What you get actually? What you get actually? Actually, I asked you what makes you do all this, and what is the benefit you get? Like benefit means what makes you happy?
Sunil makes to do me this.
It is only because of you. We all are here. What do you say, Neeraj? Ishan? Only you ask anyone in the ground. Everyone is because of Raju here. Seriously, thank you, Raju.
I'm only because of all you all.
You have done, and we welcome here the owners of. Huh? Acha. Thank you, Neeraj, and thank you, Ishan. Really a great support. You always with us and be the same always. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you, Ishan. हाँ भाई नाश्तो खा रहे हैं जेठ के We will give prize to Niket. Chalo, no issues. We have a cash prize. बहुत हजार रुपए. अरे खट्टे होती तू वहाँ विकेट बोला है 2000 दे घर ना ना दे तू दे वापस वापस दे ना पिंजा 4. Yes, we have cash prize. Cameraman, can you hear? Mr. Gurnani, the owner of, co-owner of, I think, no, not co-owner. He is the Protsak. He will give cash prize to Niket Gurnani for maiden over actually. Yes, lovely. Are you proud of Niket? Are you proud of Niket, sir?
Sir, definitely.
Are you proud of your father?
Yes.
We are. I am proud of both of you. Chalo, best of luck. चलो वेल प्लेड. अरे मैं चाचू की बातें की ना यार. अरे रखना यार तू रख वापस लेगा वापस लेगा. Hello. 20-4-2 in 4 overs. 45 more required in 4 overs. 45 more required in 4 overs. Score is 20 now. White ball actually. 21 now. 44 required in 24 balls. Come on. You have to hit the ball out of the ground. Good shot. Oh, it's good bowling actually from bowler is I think Vihan. Vihan, your son. Waswani, okay, he's Waswani, okay. Good shot actually. Will be a single. They can't take two. Good fielding here actually. Score moves on to 22. 43 more required in 17 balls now. Sunil, we have missed your batting, brother. This today, I think you will make us happy. Sunil ji. Ha. Next ball. Shot here. Good shot. Oh my God! He has dropped the trophy actually. Everybody is dropping the trophy. So trophy goes to me. Can I call upon the captain of Rudra 11 and Ahuja? Both इधर ही है दोनों. हाँ तो पहले ये कर लो आप. पहले कर लो आप ये. आपका कर लीजिए. बाद में हम यहाँ करेंगे उनको. Good shot actually. Will this be a high taking catch? Yes. Oh my God. They will take at least two. Manas gets a life. Oh sorry, wife. Oh sorry, life. And oh, 11th agan raju. Yeah. Oh my God, Manas, lovely hitting here. Oh my God, it will be a no. You are dropping trophies every ball. Catches win matches. But if even you can't catch, then even you can win the match. Neeraj. Neeraj, Ishan. ये Ishan. Nandwani. Wait. Hey, what? Captain. ये ऐसा अलाउड नहीं है टीम यहाँ करना। ये आप ये जो सौदेबाजी कर रहे गलत कर रहे हैं आप ये। हाँ ये अब प्लेयर का जो एक्सचेंज फॉर्म है यहाँ फीस भरनी पड़ेगी आपको 50,000 इंडियन रुपीज। या स्कोर आई थिंक क्या स्कोर है जो 38 required in 18 balls. 38 required. Yes, 38 required in 18 balls. Can I have the captains here for toss? Yeah. Okay, okay. आराम से yes. Sorry. निखिल क्या हुआ? इंजर्ड निखिल इंजर्ड है क्या निखिल? ए फर्स्ट एड राजू फर्स्ट एड 12th मैन लेके जाएगा 12th मैन प्लीज या थैंक यू। हरि ओम हरि पापड़ वयो सरी दाल वही गरी प्लीज डोंट वरी आई विल ब्रिंग पार्सल व्हाट विल यू हैव। Yes, 38 required in 18 balls. Ritik will face. It's a single actually. They may take two actually. Ritik will run for second run. Yes, they can get 3 runs. Why are you daring? Keep running. Yeah. So we have captains Ishan and Akshay. Toss to be held by Mr. Gurnani. If he flips the coin, he will catch himself and take away. Okay. Who is calling? Bhaiya will call. Ishan Bhaiya, okay. It's tails. Toss won by Baghdani brothers. They elected to ball over field. Field, okay. Chalo, best of to both of you. Play with good spirit, that's it. Yes. Rudra won the toss, elected to field first. Next match between Rudra Royals and Ahuja Warriors. Come on, great bowling actually from Ryan. May I request Tarun Khatri? Tarun Khatri? हाँ 11,000 to a player scoring 500 runs in full SPL. Tarun Khatri, may I need? Yes, thank you, brother. You are there. Tarun Ba, you are playing for Ahuja Warriors, right? See now you are live there. Cameraman, please. He is Tarun Khatri. He is playing SPL till he is playing SPL 4 from 9 to 15th. He will be playing SPL from 9 to 15th and 16 is getting married. So are you ready? No, for what?
For final match also. Both. For marriage and for final match.
Lovely. I was not ready to marriage, but unfortunately I had to be ready. But you are ready. You are lucky. Your parents are lucky. Your team is lucky to have you. Thank you, Tarun. Thank you very much. I will also.
Chulelal.
God bless you. and I hope SPL 5 you come with two new two new additions. Two new additions. One though is confirmed. Second is in your hand. Yeah, yeah. Three twins, no problem. शादी का मंडप यहीं लगाते हैं यस. अरे राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है न्यारी. एम्पायर पोल पे लगा है बॉल. पोल पे लगा है बॉल. बाउंड्री है क्या? कहाँ लगा है बॉल? पोल पे लगा है आई थिंक. नहीं लगा है. ओके सॉरी. यस. 24 recorded in 8 balls. We are late actually. Please go fast now. 46 for 2 actually. 19 required of 6 balls. Good shot, Ritik. Will be a boundary. No. Yes. No. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. A boundary. No. 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 It's not a boundary. They run 3 actually. It's not a boundary. Oh, sorry. Boundary. Yeah. 16 required, Manas. You can do it for your team or for your opponent team. Just play the ball. Manas on 31. Good shot, Manas. One tappa. Will they get 2? Run. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. No, he's out. What a throw, actually. Wow. Huh? Manas. Levin required in 3 balls. Come on, Harsh. Can you do it? 11 required in 3 balls. Levin required in 2 balls now. Head coach of next level, Mr. Kasat. He is coming. Head coach Ramakant Kasat of next level. Fitness coach है हमारे वो. Oh, it's a catch. Caught behind. Yes, I can hear the Nikhil here. It's a wicket. Nikhil will face the last ball. Just a formality. सुन मोबाइल लिया. You're fielding the Rudras. Rudra 11. Rudra 11. Are you ready? Fielding na? Ah.
हेलो हेलो नीरज भाई अजी अगर बॉल गुम थिया तो ये जेके बॉल आया न खास उन करे घुराइन पैसा न मिलंदव.
Neeraj, it's a warning to you. If you lose more balls, You won't be paid for the balls now. Is it okay? Where's my bowler, Shankar Bhaiya? He's coming on the way. Okay. We're just joking. Play your natural game, Neeraj. Don't worry. Play your game. Yes.